Whoa! 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 Whoa, that was nuts! Oh my gosh, was that crazy!
We're surrounded by stingrays, hungry stingrays, with long venomous tails that can deliver a painful sting. Normally, we'd be more than a little freaked out. But we're in the Cayman Islands, where adventure and wildlife abound both below and above the sea.
Look at that! Whoa!
In other words, our kind of place.
We just landed in the Cayman Islands, and we came down to the water to check it out. It's gorgeous. It's that perfect turquoise color.
That color is the result of the way the sunlight reflects off the sand and the fact that water absorbs all light except for blue, which it reflects back.
This is incredible. This is paradise. And there's more than just one island to explore.
The Cayman Islands are a group of islands in the Caribbean about 400 miles south of Florida and just 90 miles from Cuba. We're starting off on Grand Cayman, and at 75 square miles, it's the largest island.
People come from all over the world to explore the Cayman Islands.
Coral reefs, sea turtles, and incredibly warm, clear waters make the Caymans one of the best diving spots in the world.